Sam Bankman-Fried's fall from grace has been, to put it simply, catastrophic. Once considered the darling of the cryptocurrency world, the former CEO of FTX and Alameda research co-founder now faces serious time behind bars on fraud charges. Join us for weekly blockchain-related content by subscribing to this channel, and let's get on with the video. FTX collapse sent shockwaves through the crypto industry. After allegedly stealing customer funds to fund his own high-risk trading firm, Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto empire is in ruin. As a result, crypto regulators are circling like sharks, and Wall Street is more discouraged from entering the crypto market than ever. How did we get here? What caused the FTX crash? What happens to FTX customer funds? Let's dive in and unpack the man behind the story, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried grew up in a sunny California. While other kids enjoyed their vacations, SBF enrolled in summer programs and math camps for gifted students. In 2010, he joined a network of fellow learners called Epsilon Theta at the university, eventually graduating in 2014 with a bachelor's degree of physics and a minor in mathematics. During 2013, SBF made good use of the time and opportunities provided to him. As an intern at Jane Street Capital, SBF learned the ropes of currency and derivatives trading. Following graduation, Sam returned to Manhattan, New York to work for Jane Street Capital full-time. After leaving Jane Street Capital, SBF joined the Center of Effective Altruism. Despite only a short stint at the company, it seems to have been a formative moment in his career. Many of Sam's later charitable donations were made in the name of effective altruism, a practical approach to finding the best methods to help others. It was there he met Tara McAulay, the center's chief executive, who would go on to be Sam's co-founder at Alameda Research. Arbitrage crypto trading experts like Sam Bankman-Fried made a small fortune thanks to the kimchi premium. In 2018, Bitcoin and other digital currencies would often trade at higher prices on cryptocurrency exchanges based in South Korea and Japan. Buying Bitcoin on a global exchange like Binance, then selling at a premium in South Korea was an easy trade. SBF amassed a small fortune, which would eventually lead to creation of his own crypto company. Now, the crypto exchange FTX was founded in May 2019. FTX was notably separated in two distinct entities, FTX and FTX US. FTX was one of the crypto industry's largest exchange, with Sam Bankman-Fried's kind and relatable public persona on display. Despite being one of the world's youngest billionaires, SBF presented a humble image. For example, he always drove an old Toyota Corolla and regularly donated to charity and political groups. The crypto company went on the secure blockbuster celebrity endorsements. These included household names like Tom Brady and Shaquille O'Neal, who helped promote the FTX brand and FTT tokens, the exchange's native cryptocurrency. FTX even secured naming rights to the Miami's Heat's home court stadium. Sam Bankman-Fried was considered a tough leader and ambassador fighting for the adoption and progress of crypto worldwide. The 30-year-old was well respected among regulators. Mainstream news outlets like CNBC and the New York Times heralded Sam as crypto savior after surviving market downturns and bailing out insolvent leaders like BlockFi. So where did it all go wrong for Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, and Alameda Research? The sustained cryptocurrency bear market of 2022 was not kind to anyone. Allegedly, the lines on accounts separating the FTX crypto exchange and Alameda Research were blurred. Evidence suggests that Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline Ellison opened the backdoor between the two companies. Effectively, FTX customer funds were being used to fund Alameda's trading strategies. According to CoinDesk, Alameda Research was secretly exempt from liquidation. This may have resulted in trapped positions spiraling out of control. Despite presenting a humble lifestyle, Sam Bankman-Fried and other FTX employees enjoyed a luxurious Bahamian lifestyle. SBF regularly hosted extravagant parties at his $30 million penthouse in the Bahamas, allegedly funded by FTX customer funds and deposits. Rumors that FTX was insolvent started circulating when the Alameda Research balance sheet got leaked in the end of 2022. According to the leak, FTX and Alameda assets were made up primarily of illiquid digital currencies like the FTT token and other proprietary SAM coins like Serum or MAPS. Essentially, FTX wouldn't be able to handle a high volume of customer withdrawals. Binance's very own CZ was the final nail in the coffin for FTX. On November 6, CZ announced that Binance would be liquidating the remaining holdings of USDT tokens. This started a panicked bank run that ultimately spelled doom for the FTX crypto exchange. Without the liquidity or funds to meet the withdrawal demands, FTX's insolvency was exposed. Sam Bankman-Fried stood down as the CEO of the FTX crypto exchange and announced the company's bankruptcy on November 11. His replacement, John J. Ray III, claims he has never seen such a complete failure of corporate controls and such a complete absence of trustworthy financial information. Despite an estimated $8 billion hole in the FTX balance sheet, Sam Bankman-Fried denies the criminal charges. In an interview with New York Times, Sam claimed he did not have any involvement in the financial decision-making at Alameda Research. If Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty of the charges laid by US federal prosecutors, he would face up to a maximum of 115 years in prison. But, on the flip side, Sam Bankman-Fried, Alameda Research, and FTX Ventures provided plenty of early-stage funding to emerging projects in the crypto industry. Some of the crypto space's largest blockchains like Solana and Aptos might not have achieved their success without SBF support. So, the rise and fall of Sam Bankman-Fried and the FTX collapse serve as important reminder about self-custody. There are always risks associated with storing your crypto on a centralized exchange. As the saying goes, not your keys, not your crypto. Thanks for staying with me till the end, and I'll see you next week.